What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Back at Citadel. Used to be one of the hottest Nike outlets like in LA, but it's been a little mild. It's been a lot, but we still gotta keep an eye. Let's go see what's up. With the outlet game, you never know when things are gonna start heating up, so you definitely gotta keep an eye out on some of the hotter spots. Let's see what they got. This place opened up a couple hours ago. Packed already, packed. Man, all right, let's go check out the clearance section. Nothing behind the counters that I saw. Let's go check the clearance section. All these university blue boxes throwing everybody off, or threw me off at least. The Air Sheesh right here, or Air Shesh, go for $110. Bunch of smaller sizes. Oh, all the resellers are here. 20% off. Okay. Finding all kinds of stuff. Look at this. Pine greens. Pine green 13s. Holy crap. Okay. Dude, picking up 14s? These fools picking up 14s and shit? Okay. Damn, Racer Blue 14s. It's got some 7s right here. All kinds of retros. What the hell? Some 10s. These are size 10s. To be able to get this stuff for 20% off. Damn, that's what's up. Did I say 7s? Why the hell did I say? So I got some 6s right here. What the hell am I smoking? All right, what the hell am I on today? I do got 6s. Man, to be able to get that for 20% off. All right, we're gonna start with the 10.5s. Do got, apparently I should have came here before I went to East LA. Dang it, okay. Air Max 90s right here, go for $150. These Tempo Next percents go for $110. These are size 9.5. We saw these a minute ago. More 9.5s. Air Max 95s going for $180. Got some Chinese New Year 12s. Haven't seen those in a while. He has those in his hands. Dude got some Niger Freeze. These are 10.5 going for $95. I was like, are these Reeboks? These look like some Reeboks. These are just hella crazy huge. What do these go for? Size 18s. Jordan 1 Fly E's. No price tag on it though, so there's no way those are retail. Air Force One Sculpt, size 9.5. $135 for these? Okay. Damn, look at that leather. Like, extra nice leather. Holy crap, I've never seen. Have I seen Air Force Ones with this great leather? Oh my God. Dang, dude. It's like a craft one or something. Wow. $135 for these. I think he picked up some core purple 13s right there. Damn, they had all kinds of retros that I missed out on this morning. Damn, dude. Damn. I'm just bouncing around. All the sizes are all jacked up everywhere. Jordan LS sides go for $30 right there. More of these. The Vaporfly Next, or Tempo Next percents go for $110. Dang, apparently tons of heat, but I was late today. Was definitely late. Soldier 14s going for $120. PG5s is size 6 go for $100. PG5 size 7 go for, what was that, $90. Zoom types go for $75 size 8. All right, apparently I missed out on all the freaking clearance stuff because I was late. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Oh, so someone put this back. Do have these bad boys. The Chinese New Year. These are the Chinese New Year's, right? Or is this yeah, this is Super Bowl? Oh, the Super Bowl. Right. I said the Chinese. These are the Super Bowls. I am tripping. Does have the Tampa Bay area code right there. This is the one where Tom Brady won in his home at home, right? I think that's that one. $190 for those. Do get that 20% discount. All right, so yeah, I hit up Nike East LA before I hit up here. Usually they've had a lot more heat than here, so I guess I miscalculated. It is what it is. That's kind of what happens. Most of the retros are gone now. All right, we are checking out the aisles now. Do you got some Blazer Quartz? This is the canvas ones. We saw this in East LA. 270 Reacts, Air Max 2017, Zoom Pulse, Killshot 2 leathers, Venture Runners. I do like the old school look of these. Got suede on it too. Okay. I don't like the price. Do got the Witness 5s right here. Couple of those. Soldier 14s. Have I seen this colorway? I think we just saw this past weekend for the first time. Okay. Regular price for those. We saw this one debut at the outlets. I think when the Soldier 14s first released. Witness 5s. I think another one of those. Dang, got a ton of 5s. The last colorway right here. Got some Max Aura 3s. Oh, Max Auras. KD Trey 5.8s. Do got Monarchs. Invincible Run Flyknits. Regular price, what the hell? Air Max 2017's regular price too? What the hell? Wait, did I miss this little heat wall? Has that always been around? What the hell? They do got the Sakai Blazers right here. Don't feel that great. I'm not gonna lie, they don't feel that great. They do got them here though. They do got them. I don't know if they get a discount. I don't think so, because they could have put that discount sign right there, but I don't see it. They got the acronym ones right here as well with the 3D printed stuff in the back. Also have the white Sakai Blazer here as well. What size is this? Yeah, I'm not feeling these Sakai Blazers at all. These are 8.5. I don't know what size these are. These are size 8.5 as well. And then some Jordan 6 lows. I'm not feeling that colorway at all. I don't know what size this is. Size 9.5 men's. All right, so we did check out the sneakers downstairs in the men's section. They do have a little clearance section up top right here for men's clothing. The women's section's been garbage here, dude. I don't even know if I'm gonna look, but we do have men's clearance section right here and right here. Let's browse through that. Do get the 20% off. I think I see it over there. All right, I did go around. It's just crowded as hell here, dude. So many people. All right, 200 for these. Damn, no discount at all. Okay, that's the Suns Blink jersey. I guess you get it customized in the back. Do got the Chargers polos. These are all smalls. $35 for all these. Oh, they do got larges. Oh no, these are t-shirts. Never mind. Nike poofy jacket, medium tall. Medium for tall people. $145 for those. All black Nike hoodie. This is actually really nice. Size medium. Go for $65, normally $100. Some nice fleece. Everything is separated by colors. Go into the blue section. Actually, there's not much. I've been looking here and there. Do got the PG jerseys. We've seen that a gazillion times. This is authentic too. Authentic. No price tag. Someone ripped it off. Got some shorts, some long pants, some sweats. Not really feeling much though. Not really seeing much. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, that was a kind of a shorter vlog. I do apologize. I actually got a work phone call and I had to head back home, so it kind of rushed through that a little bit. I actually wanted to check out the Reebok outlet as well, and I missed out, man. I missed out. But yeah, that clearance section was freaking crazy. Man, they had a ton of retros. They had those 14s. They had the Racer Blue 14s. They had the 13s, the what is that, the Lucky Green 13s or the Celtic 13s. Man, they also had those Super Bowl 12s, the 12 lows. Then they also had they had one more. Oh, the 6s. They had those 6s that I hadn't seen in years. Like, man, that was crazy. It was crazy, man. I haven't seen the Citadel outlet crazy like that. Like, they just haven't been crazy at all. And this was like the best visit this year by far. And I got there late. I got there like an hour after they opened. I talked to one person that went there like hours afterwards. They found a couple retros there as well. Like, they had stuff, man. They had stuff. I'm definitely gonna have to go back there. You know, obviously I wasn't able to spend that much time, but I also want to hit at that Reebok outlet, man. Those of y'all that follow my Instagram, my kid wanted some pumps. I bought him some pumps. And I even had it in my head, hey, I'm gonna check out the Reebok outlet, but work kind of got in the way. I had to hurry up and come home, get a little work done, and then I went out and did a couple more vlogs. So life kind of gets in the way, guys. Life kind of gets in the way, but it is what it is. I'm definitely going to be heading back there. Maybe by the time you guys see this, or maybe later in the day. I don't know. But on Sunday, I'm definitely going to have to go back there later, because I got to see what's up. I got to see if they throw more retros out on the floor. I don't know. I gotta see. I gotta document things. I got to show you guys. And then I gotta go check out that Reebok outlet, man. Reebok outlet, maybe the Adidas outlet. The Adidas outlet out in where the hell was I? In Cabazon. That was pretty crappy. Like, there really wasn't much there. But the Adidas outlet out in at the Citadel, man, that tends to be one of my favorite ones. They tend to have heat. I found all kinds of stuff there, so I might stop by. But definitely gonna have to go back. I'll definitely be out there. I think before the weekend ends, so we'll see what happens, and I'll have my camera out, and I'll definitely show you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for making it to the end. Those of you guys that made it to the end, definitely appreciate y'all. You know, as usual, make sure you help a wet. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button, will ya? Man, I know a bunch of you guys are commitment phobes. I know, man, like, I think more than half of you guys that do watch are not subscribed. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification button. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. And got plenty coming. Got plenty coming. I did go to a bunch of spots. I'm going to go to some more spots. Hopefully the day you guys watch this tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.